Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Saturn. Rules Capricorn, sub-ruler Aquarius, exaltation Libra, detriment Cancer, fall Aries, responsible, good or bad result of action. Jif, sickle of Kronos, the god of time, represents urge for security and safety. Anatomy, the skin, the skeletal system, including the teeth, ligaments, knees, left ear and auditory organs, gallbladder, parathyroid glands, body protein. Keyword, the teacher. General, rules form, discipline, responsibility, organization, ambition, capacity for a career, limitations, sorrows and delays. Saturn rules theories and scientific law, older persons, depth, patience, timing, tradition, conventionality, orthodoxy and productive use of time. Saturn represents the principles of truth, of contraction, of solidification, of wisdom and of aging. Its action is slow and lasting. Saturn is the taskmaster of the horoscope. In earlier times it was known as the Greater Malefic. Where you find Saturn in the horoscope is where you feel least secure and tend to overcompensate. Fourth house, private. It shows your private life, home, endings, property, apparent, foundation, latter part of life. Natural sign is Cancer. Natural ruler is Moon. Keyword is security. Fourth house, the house of endings and water. Quality is angular house. General. The fourth house shows that your home and your parents, your family comes from, your roots, and the house you are going to establish. This includes your heritage, genetics and ancestors, psychological origins and your private life. This house shows properties, such as housing or real estate, and all that is secluded. It is the home of the end of life, the end of all problems, the reputation after death and the burial place. It shows that parents have a greater influence over you as a child, your subjective self and the foundation on which you build your personality. Saturn in the fourth house. The planet Saturn located in the fourth house of your birth horoscope indicates that home is a responsibility in your life that needs to be taken care of before you can succeed in the public world. Your early family life may not have supported you, which has made you feel that you do not have solid ground under your feet. As a child, family life may have seemed balanced and healthy for other people, even other members of your family, but you have not been happy. While some children adapt well to new homes and neighborhoods, you have had trouble coping with the changes. Maybe you even became solitary as a result. For some reason, you felt like you didn't belong, and you worked hard to get rid of the limitations of family life. Gradually, you will learn how to build a solid foundation that will suit you. It can be hard work, but eventually your home life will become a solid base. You may become quite possessive by comparing financial security and an investment to the security you felt you had as a child. You may make a financial profit by inheriting real estate or investing in real estate. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.